Good morning, everyone. Uh, it's almost karmic for me to be here after the previous session. It got me all stirred up, and I had many things that I wanted to add, but thank you, Ani, for bringing out the stats that I was going to share on married women and housework responsibilities. And thank you, Valerie, for talking about the funnel, and thank you for those resume conversations, and that's precisely why we are here. Before I go any further, let me ask you, does anyone here know a woman who's off-ramped, who's taken a break from work, or is looking at different work-life options? Raise your hands if you know any woman like that. There you have it. There are tons of us. Each one of us knows a person, knows a woman out there who needs either greater flexibility or is reconsidering her work-life choices. And that's the reason we set up FlexiMoms. That's the first brand. It's been in business for about 2.5 years. We built it as a community of women professionals, women making work-life choices. And here's what prompted us to get there. Work-life choices for women are largely heterogeneous, which means that an average man will take one career break, an average woman 2, 3, 4, maybe more, maybe not even pursue a career. So FlexiMoms is built as a community which is spread all over the country. And what we offer to our community is a large, perhaps the widest selection of jobs and opportunities which are specifically curated for women at the portal. And what women get from us is a lot of mentoring, a lot of coaching, a lot of support as the network. A little data here. India produces the largest number of women graduates in the world, and our participation of women in workforce went from 27% to 22% in the last 10 years. Before I tell you what we do and how we do, there's some of you in the room who have used us. And may I ask anybody who's used us, maybe Lizzie, would you like to tell us?
So when I came to India, I didn't have a big budget for anything. And I recruited a FlexiMom to do the first piece of market research that we were going to do in the country. And randomly, we got, I think, an ex-McKinsey consultant who was on her second baby and out of work. She did the single most fantastic piece of market research anyone has ever done in our company, and we put it up as, you know, the kind of the example to all the big companies that we've used since who have done far inferior work. We're actually going to use her again soon for another piece. So I think you get of talent, and she was also just insanely dedicated and committed, I think, because finally somebody had given her a really cool project to get her teeth into. So big fan.
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you. I think that really explains what we do for our customers. If there is a company out there, there's a business out there who needs great talent, who needs to find extra hands on deck, who needs modular workforce, who needs great business partners, who needs a network around them, that's what we do our customers. We help companies reach out to this demographic, to a lot of us who are talking about women at work. There are only two flavors of this conversation. Either we're talking about the top 2-3%, which is women in leadership, women in tech, all of that, or we're talking about the Nari Mukti, the grassroots, the unsexy middle, the urban middle class Indian woman who's educated, capable, almost gets left out of every conversation we have. And that is the middle that businesses need to reach out to, because they are prospective employees, they're prospective stakeholders. Shuchi was pitching, and I thought to her, here's a mompreneur program that needs to come on our platform, and she will find women to work with her on her network, and our women will find opportunities. And that's as simple as this model gets. We are the only company in India.
Can you wrap up, please? You're out of time.
Okay, all right. We're the only company in India who builds what we call the mompreneur programs, which means not just jobs, but also building out large partner networks using women in a modular format. And as our next step, we've just launched Sheroes, which is an all-women platform. So while there's a lot of support and coaching at FlexiMoms, Sheroes is like the big departmental store of opportunities for women. And as a company, do we make money? Yes, we do make money. Not enough, but as a platform, we're growing. I think a lot of you have used FlexiMoms, a lot of you align with it, and here's a conversation that I like to start to action into a thought that has lied with a lot of us. A lot of us have spoken about it, but what we're trying to really do is bridge the gap in a sustainable, business-friendly manner. Thank you.